Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about living things, and your job is to figure out what it means to be a living thing. We go out in the world and we start talking about what are living things. A variety of things come to mind: elephants, tigers, earthworms, spiders, all sorts of neat and interesting living things can be found in our world. But scientists had to figure out what it meant to be a living thing as compared to be a non-living thing. And that's what we're going to work on today. What I'm going to tell you is there are 6 characteristics that living things can do. And we're going to start off by filling out this page that's in front of you. It's been shared with you in a link on Google Classroom, and you will go to the slide number for your table. And each table has a number that they will be working on. First thing I want you to make sure you do is put your names down here. And then as a group, since you'll all have access to it on the device, and if there is someone in your group who doesn't have technology privileges, they can have someone else do typing for them. What you're going to do is just click and type in the boxes of what you think living things can do and what you think living things cannot do. Now, a time limit is going to be set on this. I want you to be very clear and have good discussion in your group. Make sure you're listening to everyone's ideas, and those ideas are recorded on the sheet. You'll have access to other people's sheets. Please remember that it is not your responsibility to go and take anything away, delete ideas, make comments, or do anything like that on another person's work. And as you go through this, I also want you to make sure that you are thinking like a scientist. What do you think scientists are going to look for when they compare a living thing to a non-living thing, and what are the characteristics that they would have to be considered living? Once you finish with this, we are going to be using something new today called Flipgrid. And Flipgrid allows you to record a video response to a question. And our question today that we will need to be answering is, what are the characteristics to be considered a living thing? And based on the list that your group makes, you are going to create a group video that everyone else in our classroom can see and have access to. So as you're going through this, please make sure that you are thinking about what is it that we're going to want to say. You remember that you need to present yourself in a way that makes you sound knowledgeable and educated. So that means pronouncing words correctly, using correct grammar. This is not a place for your silly behaviors or inappropriate actions. Make sure your video is something that represents you and is well thought out and well presented. So we're going to start right now with our brainstorming as a group. You're going to go ahead and open up the Living Things document that is located in Google Classroom and begin working as a group on the table number that you've been given.